Oh.
Get it done.
Yeah, the map at the minute though is just that one's flat. It just shows you all different. The hard hitting ones are better.
Wow.
It just does loads of different things, yeah.
Nice.
Loads on it.
Can you do that on the Honda?
No,
you can't. You can't do it on the Honda. Look at that. Nice. Some money's worth there, isn't there? Look at that. 5 grand's worth of suspension. Not letting Regan have going anywhere near it. Nowhere near that bike, no chance. Otherwise that'll be up for sale. He's already got a smile on his face. No chance.
He's loving it.
The Honda will be chopped in.
Oh, 19. I think it was 19,
Yeah, that's the last one you're going to ride as well. Yeah, you're not going to go anywhere near that bad boy. Get him looking at that titanium pipe thinking, how come he's got a blue pipe? Well, I haven't. You're looking at the suspension, yeah. That'll take you a chunky little ass, that will, won't it? That is incredible. Fully loaded with an acropovic pipe.
Going over go there. Yeah, I might do.
Look at that.
On the, yeah.
Is this one you've downloaded?
This is what I'm going to add into it.
Slippy conditions?
Yeah. For the
So you want
stubblefield.
this to dry conditions. Send it.
Send it.
A whole new meaning to sending it, innit? He literally is sending it. Did you get confirmation saying it's gone in?
I should do.
Yeah,
I've got to download it. Plus,
Do you have to pay for it, or is it free?
it's free.
Is
Yeah,
it?
it comes free, yeah. It's just the Yamaha app, I think.
No way.
Right, it's on.
Is it?
Yeah, it's
Ah, he's on now.
Isn't it sort of like the new KTMs with the, you know, the bar pad, how they press that? Yeah. Track now.
Oh yeah. No, he won't let you. Dean prepping the track for some private hire tomorrow.
You fit alright?
They're a bit snug. Can just pass. Oh, that's without a kidney belt, so they're a bit snug. Oh, I'm knackered. Just that's like doing 5 laps for me. Just bloody getting kitted up.
You need to lose some weight.
I know. Here's me always going on about you, am I can't even, once I've got dressed and knackered.
You're bigger than me.
Hey?
You're bigger than me.
Not quite.
You're on the scales anyway.
Hey?
On the scales you are.
Oh. We're getting there slowly. I don't know if I can fasten this. Oh. But now I put that on, I definitely ain't going to get my pants fastened. Oh. Bruce. Got to put this on as well. Oh my word. I'm absolutely knackered already. No wonder I give up this motocross game.
Close to retirement then?
Whew. Just getting ready, it's absolutely knackered me out. Oh my word. Let's see if I can fasten my pants now. That clip's not even fastened. Is it broken? Oh no. Oh, snug. Can you? Oh. Ready?
Breathe in.
Oh. One click. Ooh, we're ready. One click, baby. You know when you put weight on, does your head go fatter? Because
Yours might.
my helmet's gone mega tight.
Them helmets are always tight though, the older V3s.
It is tight. Do it, 2-lap dash.
2-lap dash.
I think by the time we're going from here to the track, that's me done for 1 lap.
About 2-lap dash. Look at him already.
Go on. Oh my word.
How many laps was that? 2?
That was about 22, I think.
No.
Oh my word. Honestly,
2.
can't even hold on. The hands, solid. Can't even hold on. That's not bad really. For an old boy.
Alright out there.
I was just gripping for dear life. I was just not relaxed at all, was I? Just goes to show when you have time off the bike. I couldn't do it. My hands are just can't even grip them. 2-lap dash.
That was alright, that was.
I I've blown out my arse and I've only done about 3 laps. Ooh, this is a young boy's sport, this is. It's not good for these old ones. Going on a big one. Oh yeah. Look at that, straight away. Get Regan on the 2 smoking.
Hey?
Get you on that. 2 smoking.
Oh, it's got a gang.
Has it? Oh, not these gangster stuff. Oh, it's got a gangster stick. Look at them. Not used to that, eh? You don't know what to do with that. Looks like you're on an 85.
It looks quite small, doesn't it?
Yeah, it just looks small. Oh, he's binned it. Yeah, it's another KTM rider we've converted.
Oh my god,
But you like
I need one.
You like it?
That is the best swing I've ever rode.
Really?
That
Tell
was
you what.
amazing. So smooth.
Yeah,
through the corners.
you look very confident out there, I tell you.
So
Considering
smooth.
I thought you were going to take it easy the first lap.
So smooth in the corners. The power's nice as well.
Yeah, it is.
Really nice.
Look well out there, I tell you.
I'll have to get Ben to have a go in a minute.
Yeah, get
see
Ben.
What he thinks. Oh my god.
This is like a Honda conversion day, this is called.
Next time you see me, I'll probably be one.
We've already converted him, that's it.
Hey Ben.
Top for sale, that is. Go on Ben, have a go.
Have a go on this. It is the best thing I've rode.
See what the Honda is?
Light, smooth.
It's light, innit?
Oh,
It's like riding a 125, innit? That's the biggest thing you'll notice, how light it is.
Ben, have a go on this.
Go on, cut your leg over that. You gonna have a go on this, Rig? Oh, you haven't got your helmet on, have you?
Have a go on it after.
Yeah. Go on, Ben.
I'll go.
I got it.
Yeah, go on, go on.
Ben, you'll like that, I know you will.
You have to ride it like a 2-stroke, we have to rev it out.
All gears longer.
Hey?
Gears longer.
Yeah, you have to, the gears, you hold them longer.
Yeah. Trust me, Ben, you'll like that. I already like this.
How he's finding grip in them corners is unreal. We're going to get another converter. I don't think it'll be hard to get him converted.
That's pretty good.
Yeah. It'll take a lot to convert Ben, but he rides that quicker in the corners than he's riding his Yam, that's for sure. Can't keep the front end down. Here's the verdict.
I'll give you a straight swap.
Really? But you, I tell you what, you riding that quick in the corners and you're riding your Yam. It's incredible, isn't it?
I love that.
Look at his smile on his face. No way.
The only thing I'd say, which is personal preference, is I just wish the suspension was softer.
Yeah. Why, you think it's a bit hard? Everyone says that's hard.
But
I'll tell you what, that corner there, down there, and that one over there, you were flying. Absolutely flying.
It feels a lot better than that though.
Yeah, how light is it?
In the footage, it is a lot lighter.
Incredible.
It's a good bike that is.
I think we need Hondas.
There they are. Bit of a race going on. Too long. Now he's got him. Is he going to catch him again? He's put all that work in. Good practice this is. Here's Finn. 2 smoking. Jimmy Roxon's back on his tail again. Is he going to get too tired and give in? Or at least overtake him? Oh, he's got him now. Oh, has he got him? Go back up to him. All over now. Will he come out top trumps? He's all over him. Is he going to get him? This Regan's just making him waiting for a little mistake. He's done in. Thought you were going to get him. Thought you were at least going to get him.
I got close, but I made a mistake.
You got held up by Finn and then you clawed it all back. There we go. See what you think of the Yam. A fully loaded Yam.
Your boy only liked the suspension.
Tell straight away, sitting on it, it's a bit wider.
A lot wider.
Yeah, it feels comfy though, it feels planted.
Yeah, that suspension will be 10 times better than yours.
The suspension's a lot better, but It's the power of it's just
Yeah.
a lot more aggressive.
Aggressive, yeah.
Do you want the GoPro on?
Can do.
Just press the top button and
Yeah,
it'll
well.
should start recording. He's quick, isn't he? See what you think of the Yam. I don't think he'll like it because he's just so loyal to Honda. I think if he snapped him in half, he's got Honda written through him. Although he did mention a few times he'd like to try one. Regan. Yeah. What are you thinking? Honda for sale?
No.
No?
It's good, suspension feels like fruit mint on it, but can't get used to the throttle.
It will do, it's got 5 grand worth of suspension on
Can't get
it.
used to the throttle, the brakes, I feel like I keep dabbing the rear brake when I don't need to. By accident.
Yeah.
So I was like, I was dabbing
You
it, I was
definitely
like,
see that, can't you, compared to the Honda one? That is. Yeah, the front wheels.
it feels like that. There's the foot peg there, it's just not much gap there.
Whew. Made a schoolboy error, but I don't think I should tell him. Proper rookie. My knee braces. I put them on the wrong knees on their way off. I think I might keep that. I should just keep that to myself. I don't know if I should tell him. He's still riding faster than I could as well. So you go around that corner there on it.
It hardly pulls me.
Hey, does it?
Get a bit of rolling speed.
Have you been having a dragon, Dean?
I think so. I had to put a nail in it.
What is it?
The Honda said
Is that a Honda, is it? I always knew you go back to Honda, Dean.
I don't want to wreck it.
That's ace, that is, isn't it? Cock your leg up, let's have a look. Woo-hoo-hoo. Hey, in our day, I used to use that was the pinnacle of motocross. That was. That was what dreams were made of.
Just front suspension.
Yeah.
I didn't even realise that suspension.
There's old Jimmy. Oh, likes that. This is how it's supposed to be done in a minute. That's insane. That was a save. What was I thinking?
Knee brace wrong inside, wrong side.
Oh, what was I thinking? Put me on the wrong knees. No wonder me back when I was riding, my knees were doing that.
Oh my god.
Keep that to yourself. Don't tell anyone. There we go. That's how it's. What on earth was I thinking? There we go. Well, yeah, we done.
That'll do.
Been good, hasn't it?
Been
Got
good.
your mojo back.
Definitely.
Ah, yes. How'd it go on the Yam?
That was good.
And you didn't want to swap?
No, I'm
I
just
tell you
used
what,
to
they
mine.
were pretty keen on the Honda, weren't they?
I think we'll be seeing a bit more
Yeah.
Hondas.
Look, yeah, he was, what's his name, Finley. I think he was definitely on the borderline of putting that KTM on eBay tonight. He loved it,
On the
didn't he?
borderline, I think he is going to.
Yeah, definitely, definitely. Right, that'll do. Even I got to have a ride.
Yeah.
So let's pack away. Come on then, go for it. 3.5 minutes, that's what you got. But, a bit longer.